Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Hacoo app and you will click. Then this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo app. If you find updates here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.